Uchchaith, a village in Madhubani district of Bihar, is home to the ancient and revered Ujjain Bhagavati temple, one of the powerful shaktipeeths of India. Here, goddess Durga is worshipped in her fierce Chinmastika form, as the idol is headless, symbolizing supreme sacrifice and awakening. The temple is deeply associated with tantric traditions and has been a site for spiritual practices and penance by seekers for centuries. It is believed that the left shoulder of Sati fell here, making it a powerful center of Shakti worship. The idol sits in a meditative lotus posture on a lion with sacred symbols like the chakra, trident, and lotus. The area was once surrounded by cremation grounds, adding to its spiritual intensity. Uchchaith is not only sacred spiritually, but also culturally. According to legend, the great Sanskrit poet Kalidas lived here as a humble servant at a nearby Sanskrit school. After being mocked for his ignorance, he crossed a flooded river one stormy night to light a lamp for the goddess. Pleased by his devotion, goddess Durga blessed him with divine wisdom, transforming him overnight into a literary genius. Nearby Kalidas Day, a small mound marks the place where he meditated and lived. Many believe his deep knowledge of Mithila's rivers, rituals, and rulers like King Janak, as seen in works like Meghdootam and Raghuvansham, reflects his roots in this region. The vivid descriptions of the Himalayan foothills and references to the Koshi river further connect his literature to the landscape of Mithila. Uchchaith thus stands at the intersection of devotion, knowledge, and literary legacy, a place where the goddess Grace gave birth to a poet who became immortal.